Selling custom PCs can be complicated. Meet Miracle PC Builder for your Shopify store, the easy way for customers to build their dream machine. Watch prices update in real time as they choose each high-performance part. From CPUs to powerful graphics cards, building a PC has never been this simple. No more worrying about incompatible parts. The app instantly flags any hardware conflicts, guiding your customers to a perfect build that they can order with absolute confidence. Merchants can easily manage parts in the back end, use the AI feature to automatically fill specs, or bulk upload compatibility rules via CSV, saving you hours of manual data entry. Customers can add their full build to the cart with just a single click. Watch your average order value grow. Install Miracle PC Builder today. Flexible pricing tiers to fit your store's needs. Pro plans include full access to built-in AI, mobile responsive and fully customizable. One-click checkout reduces cart abandonment.